Guess who's back? Back again. Hey everyone, it's Maddie back with another customized close-up for your winter box. I'm gonna give you a deep dive look at some of the options that Select members have for their customization. So if you're not already Select, you know the drill. Right here, click now and upgrade today. The Select customization window is open from November 2nd to November 5th and to all members from November 15th through the 18th. All right, you guys, before I dive in, make sure you like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to FabFitFun's channel. All right, let's get started. So the first option is this Vera Mona Color Switch Solo, which is an instant brush cleaner that requires absolutely no water whatsoever, which makes it perfect for switching in between colors without any mess. I'm gonna show you guys how this works with my handy dandy-ish makeup brushes. All right, so these are my dirty makeup brushes from this morning. As you can see, pretty dirty. So you simply take your brush and you swirl it all around the Vera Mona, and it's good as new. I really love this product because it allows you to only use one brush when you're doing any type of eyeshadow look, whether it's a neutral or a smoky eye. When you're switching between colors, this is the perfect tool for you. All right, moving on, we have the Frank Body Original Coffee Scrub. That's so good, you're gonna wanna drink it, but don't, it's for your body. So this vegan coffee scrub contains only natural ingredients like Robusta coffee, almond oil, vitamin E, and sea salt to make your body glow from head to toe. And can we also talk about this packaging? I'm a sucker for cute packaging, and it's pink. Like I said last video, it matches my aesthetic. For best results, use this baby 2 to 3 times a week, and I'm gonna show you just what it looks like. Don't hate on the way I pour, here we go. Ooh, it looks like chocolate. All right, so the texture is really soft and smooth. You can definitely feel the sea salt. It's a tiny bit grainy, but if you have sensitive skin, don't worry. It's not too harsh and it won't hurt. We all know that winter means dry, dull skin, and I really love body scrubs like these because it makes you feel really glowy and smooth and soft. All right, next up, we have the AHAVA Salt Bag, and we know that our members absolutely love AHAVA. Their ingredients come all the way from the Dead Sea. Use these products for a little self-care day, run yourself a bath, put these salts in there and watch the magic happen. So to use this, all you need is 1 cup of salts in a warm bath. Soak it all in for 20 minutes. Light yourself a candle, listen to a podcast, read a book, watch some FabFitFun YouTube videos, whatever you need to do for 20 minutes. It's gonna be a stress-free holiday season with these bad boys. So that's a wrap. These are your customization options for Select members for your winter box. So comment down below and let me know which one you're gonna be choosing. I think I'm gonna go with my Frank Body Coffee Scrub. You know, gotta have my cup of Frank every morning. All right, you guys, don't forget these important dates for Select and all members to make your customization options for the winter box. See you all next season. Bye.